Since 2020, almost 24 robust Noax industrial PCs have been proving themselves in tough continuous operation at the Würzburg plant of the Finnish crane specialist Konecranes. For such a challenging industrial environment with heat, oil, dirt, and dust, the fully protected Noax touchscreen industrial PCs was the perfect durable solution. Since 2004, we only make the straddle carriers here. Make something like 100 to 120 a year. There were multiple reasons for changing the hardware and software in 2020. We used to have a store floor data collection system with a barcode scanner in use, which was a simple LCD display with one line. The system was, of course, getting on in years. Sometimes terminals failed. The barcode scanner did not work or the user chip was not recognized. Due to the diverse conditions and requirements in the manufacturing plant with steel construction cutting, welding, and coating, a resistant solution was required. An important point was that the industrial PCs run with a completely normal Windows operating system and can be integrated virtually seamlessly into our domain with the respective policies. They can be integrated very easily on the network side and can be handled, secured, and also supported virtually like a completely normal client. Several desktop and industrial PCs were intensively put through their paces on site with a clear test winner. We had 3 other industrial computers and a desktop computer with a touch display in use. There, I installed the software, and for weeks I tested the devices with gloves, heat protection gloves and assembly gloves. With other devices, we had the problem that the software sometimes crashed, the screen froze, and the touch no longer reacted. With Noax, we had no problems at all. Today, 20 sturdy Noax industrial PCs are in use at the Würzburg plant, with an MES data acquisition system on board. We have dust in the cutting and welding area. The assembly area can be a bit oily, and the painting area has other harsh conditions. So it's a mix of everything. So we were looking for something very resistant that would also permanently withstand our on-site conditions. The Noax Automation Industrial PCs with projective capacitive touchscreens perform all tasks in the plant reliably. They are waterproof and dustproof, as well as resistant to shocks and vibrations, and can be operated easily and comfortably with all gloves. Outstanding experience with Noax support. The developer of Noax then also provided us with various config files. We could then use the RFID reader either via a COM interface or via a virtual USB keyboard. This worked really well. We are advocates of Made in Germany, which you can see in our equipment with our high vertical range of manufacture. The quality is great. The devices are durable. That's how we want our equipment to be.